This is my apple, maple, rum and vanilla jam. Well, it's a kind of jam, and all you need to do is get about 1 kilo of apples, peel them, roughly chop them, don't throw away the cores and the peel, keep that, and I'm going to show you how to make some apple scrap vinegar. Pop the diced apple in a bowl along with the seeds of a vanilla pod and the pod as well. Pop that in a pan, add 250ml of maple syrup or something sweet, 250ml of rum, and then 500ml of water and the juice of 1 lemon. Give it a good mix, bring it up to the boil and simmer it with the lid on until the apples are tender. And then you're going to pulse half of this with a hand blender so it becomes a bit saucy. And then add another splash of rum if you fancy it and cook it down until all the liquid evaporates and it will start to thicken up. Pop it into a sterilised kiln jar, pack it down, and this will last in the fridge for up to 3 months. And once you've opened it, eat it within a month. It is delicious as it is on toast, or use it as a pie filling, or it's nice with custard.